Say man, we all about a dollar. Say man, we all about this business. Say man, you know we about our business. Say man, it's a box truck thing. Say man, it's a business thing. Say man, we all about a dollar. It's business thing. We up in here. Business thing. You know we up in here.
Top of the morning, y'all. It's your boy Orlando. I am the Mando. We ain't talking about box truck today. We ain't talking about net truck today. We're gonna talk about the other side of business that I also deal with, right? We're gonna talk about crypto market and this bank crashing, why crypto is the way to go, right? Talk about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has definitely become popular lately, right? In the past few years, more people investing in it. But why though? What's driving it? Tell me that. We ain't gonna talk long. You see Bay over there. One of the main reasons behind the crypto market is the decentralized nature of it, right? Unlike traditional currency, it is not governed by any centralized authority, right? So I mean ain't nobody run anything. And it's secure and reliable. Another reason for its popularity is a whole bunch of people come in the market. Cryptocurrency are also anonymous, meaning users can make transactions without revealing their identity. People like that, you know that's where we at right now. What makes it more attractive is the value of privacy. That's why people love it, man. So look, my channel is called Business Things, right? My channel is called Business Things. I gotta wash this truck. My channel is called Business Things. So I'm talking about business. I would advise anybody, if you're not in the crypto market, get in the crypto market. This is not a long video. It's not even nothing deep about crypto right now. But I'm going to say get in the crypto market. It's a good way to invest. It's more secure and it's more private. And it's more, I would say more secure. That's why a lot of banks are going towards crypto. It's more secure, right? And I just had a brain fart. I had something to say. I forgot what I was about to say. When it comes to crypto, like I've been trading crypto for a while. Actually, I more so invest in crypto. I trade, but I don't trade that much. Actually, I'm in a trade right now. I don't trade that much. I more so invest. So when it comes to investing, I'm not looking for a return right now. I'm looking for a return later on. Like a lot of people, they stuck on this Bitcoin and why Bitcoin is done, it crashed. It did not crash, guys. If you understand the market, you will understand what really happened. It was that the one thing about this market, the market period, it's gonna always repeat itself. And where crypto dropped to, where Bitcoin dropped to. Bitcoin is a crypto. If you don't know what Bitcoin is, Bitcoin is a coin inside of crypto. It's over 10,000 coins. So I had Bitcoin marked up to like 29, I think. It dropped to like 19. Now, where it's at right now, it's expected to go to about 26. I was just looking at the charts like 2 days ago. I see it going to 26, so look out. Ooh, I just gave it to you. It depends when I drop this. It probably already hit 26, or if it's going there. It's going about 26. I'm going to tell you right now, invest in crypto. We're going to go more in depth in it. This is just it's an introduction video, just talking about crypto. Business things, guys. Bay right there. But we talking about business things, so I would say crypto ain't going nowhere. It's the way to go. You see these banks crashing now. Your crypto can crash. Your crypto can't crash. If you get like the way how the bank crashed, that can't happen with crypto. Right. So, but I ain't gonna go too deep into that though. We're gonna have more videos on crypto. This just, I told you at the top of the year, I'm gonna be tapping into my other. I've always traded crypto. Matter of fact, I even got a book on crypto. I wrote a book on crypto. Yeah, your boy's the author too. So it's a lot of things I'm gonna be tapping into this year for sure. Not necessarily tapping in. I've already been into, but I haven't been speaking about it on this channel. It's business things, not box truck things, not trucking things. It's everything. I'm all about everything. And so you stick to my channel, man. You know I'm gonna push you in some directions where you can make some money. I'm tell you. Here's a clue. Buy some crypto. I mean, I'm saying just buy some Bitcoin. Buy some Ethereum. Buy some XRP. You know what I'm saying? It's a few coins out. It's a lot of coins out, not a few. But it's not a long video. I just wanted to make that and let y'all know what's going on. You know who it is. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, though.